Hi guys, welcome back to the shop. I'm Stoner Ericson from Ericson Design Company, and this week we're gonna build some lamps. What kind of lamps? Modern gas pipe lamps. I've got these fittings around the shop. I've had them in here for a little while and I want to get them out. So we're gonna snake electrical wire through it and put a lamp head and a plug on it, and we're gonna make some really cool lamps. Now I've made a bunch of these that were chandeliers with multiple bulbs. I've made them as bedside table lamps. I've made them touch lamps before. I've even put them on headboards like as a reading lamp. So it's really up to your imagination of what you can do. So I hope you enjoy. Stick around to the end. I'll have a little trick and a couple little secrets to tell you. I'm Stoner Ericson from Ericson Design Company. Let's build something. Ta-da! Alright, so we're going to get right into it. I do love to organize, so separating these pipe fittings from elbows to nuts and T's and sizes is a lot of fun for me. Notice that I have wire snippers and a screwdriver. All else you're going to need is a knife and electrical tape and a whole lot of creativity. Now that we let our creative juices flow, I'm going to get a metal step bit to get through this 1/8 of an inch steel so that the cord for the lamp doesn't come out the bottom of the flange, it comes out the side. I'm going to use a metal step bit here, but I'm also going to need to lubricate it with WD-40, otherwise it's going to get hot. Now that we're through the steel, I'm going to take this lamp cord and snake it through the pipe. Then I'm just going to lop it off with a wire cutters and attach it straight to the lamp head. Make sure that the wire cord is actually threading on, not off. Now the first lamp is done. This is a sconce lamp, so you can put these anywhere you want. Just test it and turn it on. Now for those of you who don't have extra lamp cord laying around, just buy a 6-foot cheap $2 extension cord and just cut it off. To me, this is the most fun part about it. There's no right or wrong way to do this, but you want to make sure that you snake the lamp cord through each piece before you tighten it down. Otherwise, you're going to have to snake it through a whole bunch of jibber jam. As you come over to the top of the lamp to put the head on, make sure to wrap it in electrical tape. All right, really fun to make. This is just open to your imagination. This is why I love being in the shop, is because anything I can think of, we can do. And this doesn't take a lot of tools either. You know, a screwdriver, wire strippers, channel locks, electrical tape. And again, I'm not an electrician, so do this at your own risk. But, you know, some pipe fittings you can kind of collect over time. Every time you're at Lowe's, pick one or two up and open to your imagination. Now, I do have these taped just to demonstrate, but I'll take a 2-part epoxy, a 5-minute JB Weld, and I'll epoxy them in there, and they'll stay forever. This first guy is so cool. It's got, I have a magnet on my phone for my car, so you could just, if you had something like that, you could just take your magnet and just stick it on. Now you know where your phone's at. And you could also run a charger cord up here, and you'd have a charger place to plug it in. Now, if you have some readers and you read some books, I use these in the shop to see some things sometimes. You're reading along, and now you have a place to put them so you don't lose them. A little post here to hang them on. I like that. I don't wear jewelry or watches, but if you do, and my wife does, this would be a great spot for her to take her jewelry off, necklaces. And so this is a really multifunctional one. And with all that, it's a lamp. Now this is an Edison bulb. I like these kinds of bulbs in these kinds of lamps because it's industrial meets old school. So I do love that one. And then here we go with the sconce. Now, I would hang this on a wall, outside, inside, off of a headboard. It's even a cool lamp just like this, just something you could kind of turn around. You know, the industrial look of the pipe fitting is rad. And then this dude, I think's awesome. It reminds me of a man. I think it's because of the feet, because of the way the feet is. But, you know, don't tighten these down all the way till the end and then use channel locks. Otherwise, you're going to be fighting it. Also, when you're running the cord, leave every piece loose, because running the cable up this is really frustrating. And you'll get really frustrated and not have a good time. So leave the pieces loose and snake the cable as you go. And at the end, channel lock them down. So this one makes the statement. Now you can make these tall, wide. I've done one with chandeliers with multiple, like 10 giant Edison bulbs. So it's really up to you. It's really what you can think of. You know, and again, I love being in the shop for that reason. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Check out my merch right here. It's ericsondesigncompany.com/merch on Streamlabs. You can get a hat, shirts, stickers. You can support the channel. Show me your love. If you want to check out the music, there's a link in the below as well. And if you like videos like this, interior design, light fixtures, let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, and share. Look forward to new videos every Tuesday night. I'm Stoner Ericson from Ericson Design Company, and we built something. Ta-da!